Okay, so what about minor seventh chords? It's really almost the same thing as what we just talked about. For C minor seventh, just make sure that the first three notes give you a C minor instead of a C. And that last note is going to be exactly the same note that we got for the C seventh. But just to show you, let's make first a C chord. So we pick the C note, then we skip a white key and take the third white key up, and then we skip the next white key and take the fifth, and then we skip the next white key and we take the seventh. Okay? Now there's two things that we have to do. We have to make it a seventh chord and we have to make it a minor. So to make it a minor, you take well, it's the second note here, but it's really the third white key up. You have to flat that, and then you have to flat the fourth note or the seventh white key up to make it a seventh. And that gives you a C minor seventh. Alright, so it's really just doing exactly the same thing, except you're starting with a C minor. But you still have to take that seventh white key and make it flat. So anyway, it's the same note that we got for C7. So for A minor 7, you know that it would start with the notes in A minor. You know how to figure that out now. That's A, C, E, and we just have to figure out what goes in the fourth place. Let me delete this so it doesn't distract us. Alright, so what's the distance between C and A? So here's C. I could go up or I could go down. Let's try going in this direction here. So here's C. I'm going to go down to an A and count. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 notes. So now I'll start with B flat, which is here, and count down 3. 1, 2, 3. So I get a G. So that means the fourth note in an A minor seventh, what makes it a seventh is a G note. And with this procedure, you can make any minor seventh chord.